Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at how to set up our footer, which is more of a contact area. I want to focus on how we can import our shortcode directly into our page. Now this is how our page has been looking for some time now, for the past 1 week. So we're going to edit starting with our home page. Now what we'll simply do here is click and add columns. That's the first thing. We want to pick two symmetrical columns, or we could pick any other style we want. Now for me, I want this. I'll click here and add a header. Drop it down to header 6. Type subscribe. How do you spell subscribe? Subscribe. Sorry. Yep, and I'm done. Take the next block and create a paragraph. Now here in this paragraph we want to write subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Sorry, I like this, and take it down a notch. Sorry, take it down to about, take it down to about, or just select small. I want to take it down to around let's say 16 will do, 16.5. Right here, sorry, I'm not done. I would also want to pick the next. Since it's not picking, I'll pick this and include a shortcode. Now I'm going to drop down my shortcode to below this. We'll talk about this later. Now this is where we'll be embedding our contact form. Right here, I want to just have our numbers. So header, we'll say contact information. Sorry, I want to drop it down again. Contact info. Then beneath it, I want to have my, where's my, let's use this. I'll have my email column. I'll say Goldmyn for me at gmail.com. Not clown though. Right beneath it, I want to have my number. So I have a phone plus 234. Let's just have a random number there. Good. So now we are done here. We want to reduce this also to about 16. This to the same 16, and we're done. Now we can choose to design or do whatever I want to do, but for now this is all we need. So our concentration is on this shortcode. We want to see how to import a shortcode here. Now when we update, we find our site to look more or less like this. Do you see what I was subscribing to? There's no newsletter. So now I'm going to teach you how to add a plugin. So we're going to be choosing how, showing you how to add a plugin. All you simply do is go to plugins, and right from there you go to add new, or as it is stated here. Then from add new you go to upload plugins, and you're good to go. You can then start uploading the plugin of your choice. Now there are two ways you can go about this. You can actually select or search for plugins, that is the contact form plugin, but I have downloaded the contact form plugin before, so all I just need to do is install it. So once our plugin has been finally installed, this is the information you will get. So all you simply do is activate that plugin. Having activated it, it will pop up a contact information around here. So we're going to wait for it to boot. I want to add a new one. Now, once you click on add new forms, you already have this. This information has already been made available. So I do not want this. I want to create mine. Mine will be subscribe. I don't know why I keep making mistake. I have to copy. Is this still the same thing? Subscribe, good. So I'm going to have to delete all of this. You'll be wondering why. Well, you will soon see. It's very easy to redo. So what are those informations I would like to include? I just want your email if you are subscribing to my newsletter. So what will be required? Yes, it will be required field. I can set it to just email. Here I want to have the value written as what? Enter, sorry, email. Use this required field as author's email address. Use this as a placeholder. Just one or two things though. So you insert. Once you've inserted, this is what you will find. Now the next is submit. I want to label it as subscribe. Subscribe, and that's all. So once you've done this, see, I made the mistake again. S is supposed to be in it. Sorry, I'm editing it directly from the codes itself. So once you've done this, you just simply click save here, or you click the save here beneath it. Now, having done that, you'll be given this shortcode. It says copy and paste. Copy this shortcode and paste it in your post or page or widget, wherever it is. So you it's Control C. We'll go back to where our shortcode is, and V. Now, once you have it here, all you simply do is update. So having done this, what it has. So this is all you need to know about how to create a subscription and the contact information. And that brings us to the end of our lessons. I hope we all enjoyed it. So we hope to see you next time. Ciao.